Hello everyone, it's Toheed here from Toheed Tech. Welcome to my another review video of cheap clone smartwatch HK9 Ultra 2. HK9 Ultra 2, which is a Apple Watch Ultra 2 replica, and this watch is also the upgraded version of HK8 Pro Max, which I already make the unboxing and review video on my channel. I will leave a link in description if someone like to watch that one. And also I already make the unboxing video of HK9 Ultra 2. If you haven't seen that one, I will also leave the link in description. You can watch that one. So in this video, we are going to dig deeper and I'm going to share with you some of the information which I have experienced using this watch. I've been using this watch from few days and so far it is the best Apple Watch Ultra replica with the AMOLED display and so many other different options available on this watch. So before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the future video notification. So I highly appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's start our review video of HK9 Ultra 2. So this smartwatch have a 2.12-inch AMOLED screen display with a resolution of 480 by 520 pixel per inches, and the dimension of this watch is 49 by 44 by 14.5 mm. This one use a low power dual Bluetooth 5.2 which connect phone app and the phone notification and call separately, and this one use a newest chipset of SF32LB525 chip. This one have a dual core chip inside which have a 1.2 MB running memory and 2 GB of storage, and the CPU of this watch is a really high performance. So they claim to have a waterproof in there, but I haven't got chance to test it out the waterproof on this watch. So the capacity of this watch is 450 milliamp. This one have a 4 to 5 different menu system in there. This watch use a dynamic island watch faces and also have a chat GPT applications in there. You can connect this one with the Android or ISO both devices. And this watch use a Wear Fit Pro app. This will not connect with any third-party app. So this is the box of HK9 Ultra 2. As I mentioned, I already make the unboxing video, but I will show you what was inside the box. So inside the watch, you will see the booklet and 2 straps in there. One is the orange one is the black, green and gray fabric one, a wireless charger in there. So this watch have a always on display, and this watch also can stay awake up to 20 minutes. Previous version of HK8, there was not any option to stay awake for a longer period of time. So should have the option stay awake always on until the battery die. So the colors are really vibrant in there. Watch faces look really nice in there. So you can hold the watch face to change the watch faces in there, and the watch face is also interactive in there. So first of all, let me show you around the watch. So on the right side, there's a crown key with a orange ring in there, microphone hole, side button, and there's no GPS antenna design in there. Both of the holes on the side are closed. On the left side, there's a speaker holes, action button, and there's an extra hole also closed in there. And the speaker holes are a wee bit different than original Apple Watch Ultra. On the back, there's a real screw, heart rate, health sensor, wireless charging, and strap locks. So let's speak about the screen resolution. The screen resolution of this one is 480 by 520 pixel per inches, and this one is AMOLED display with a 2.2 inches. So the bezels are really equal to each other. So as you can see, right, left and bottom, all the bezels are equal to each other, and the colors are really accurate and really vibrant in there. So turning the crown key, you will not able to change the watch faces in there. Also, if you press and hold the watch face, there's no lock option in there. So you can select any of them from here, but it will not move by turning the crown key. So pressing the side button, it will bring up the control center in there. It shows your battery life, screen brightness in there, Bluetooth option, and do not disturb option, tap to wake option, and you can also edit and add more option in there. As you can see, there's a lots of option available in there, so you can add any of them in there. So pressing the crown key, it will go to the honeycomb menu. There's a few different menus available in this one. There's in 5 in total. So as you can see, there's a list one, and there's a icons one, there's a 3x3 grid icon menu in there. So as you can see over here, so they are quite bright, and the animations and the icons is really bright and good looking. So if you go back in there, you can test it out another different menu, and this one is a scrolling one. So loads of different watch apps available in there. You have also chat GPT app in there, but you have to connect with your phone before you can start use these options. And swiping the downward, you will see the notification. I have set it only the Instagram notification in there. Right to left, you will see some of the applications in there which is been added. You can add more in there. Left to right, you will see the quick access menu, and top to bottom you will see recent app. In there you can go to the more app. In there you can see some of the games available in this one. In HK9 Ultra 2, the health sensor is working properly fine. If you are holding the watch in air, it will not give you any reading. It will give you a warning message. You have to wear the watch before it will give you the real reading. So as you can see the messages in there. Magnetic lock are really strong. There's no wobble at all in there. So this is how the look on my wrist. As you can see, it's look really nice. The screen is really bright and really vibrant because of the upgraded AMOLED display. So the watch faces on this watch is also interactive. You can touch them and change the colors on these one and style of these one just tapping on the app. And also the icons on there also interactive. You can choose them. If you click them, they will show you the information in there. Compass of this watch is working perfectly fine, and there's a 2 compass mode in there. One of them is a round dial one in there, and then if you press on 3 lines in there, and this one is a arrow one. And as you can see, the black color is really amazing on the background. With the black color, you can hardly see the bezel on this watch, which you can easily see on the IPS screen. So also another benefit of having the AMOLED display is battery timing. Battery timing is really great on this watch. If you're not using a always on display or full brightness for all the time, so the watch battery timing would be different depend on your usage and on the brightness of your watch as well. So I use on 50% brightness and without a full display on, and sometimes I do not use always on display either. So it's give me more than 2 days of battery life, and if I'm using the full always on display, it give me more than 12-hour battery life before I have to charge. So one more thing, if you're keeping the screen time on all the time, so it will stay on until 20 minutes and then the display will turn off. This one do not have a always on display, so it will turn off after 20 minutes. And also let me mention that there's you can see one blinking red dot in there. It means there's a notification in there. You can pull and see, there's an Instagram notification in there. You can clear that one, so that red dot will disappear until the new notification came in the watch. So there's a lots of different options available. You can also record the voice memo inside the watch, and then you can transfer and listen inside the phone app. And you can also play so many different games in here. There's a plain one available in there, and there also ninja watermelon one. So if you start playing that, the screen is quite responsive. I really like the touch of the screen, and software UI is really amazing on this watch. And also, for example, there's option to drain the water immediately if you are wearing this watch uh, while you are washing your hand or showering. So I can vibrate similar to the Apple Watch Ultra and take the water out. You also have a turn off option right inside the menu system, so you can turn off your watch from here. And it also have a reminder options right inside the main menu. You can choose so many different reminders in there. And also this one have option of brightness adjustment right in the menu system. You don't have to go to setting and scroll all the way there. You can just go to the main screen and just from there. Same as the volume option also available on the main screen. There is a voice assistance, and also there is a time setting available in here. And also you can see the language options. You can select it from the main menu. There's a stopwatch available, timer, alarm clock. So in this watch there's another option I really like, to customize the key, side key and the action key. There's both options available. In the both keys can be adjusted. Down key can be adjusted on two different applications, single click or double click, or on the action button just can click once in there, but you can choose on your desired application in there which one you like. Crown key is working perfectly fine. There's no wobbles, there's no clicky noise in there, and it is really smooth. If you go all the way up, it will open up the app in the middle. If you go all the way down, it will show you all the applications in a honeycomb menu style in there. There's so many different watch faces available. Some of them you have to buy to use, and some of them are free. If you scroll all the way down, you will see the free one underneath in there. And you can also customize the wallpaper of your background of the main menu in there. As you can see in back, I can change the wallpaper back of the menu in there. You can use on your own customized picture back of this one. So as you can see, it can change your picture in there. So there's so many different pictures available to choose from. Some of them you have to pay and some of them are free. This one also offers so many other applications which you can transfer to your watch. I already have downloaded few of them in there. There's a lots of different applications also available in there. And there's also game market in here. You can download so many different games from here. And in local music, there's some of the music files available. You can edit up your watch, just pressing that one, and it will download and transfer to your watch. You can view the video tutorial guide. You can also see the graphic guide as well in there. Notification, you can customize some of the notification on your watch, which one you like to see and which you don't like to see. You can also customize the notification prompt. And you have a wallet, my QR code, weather app, and you can also use this watch to take a photo. As you can see, just like that. Find my watch, it will make a cool noise in there.
I'm here. I'm here.
So it's quite loud, you can easily hear. And other setting, there's so many other different options available in here. You can adjust the timing in here. Now there's a 12-hour clock option inside the watch as well. Cardio notification, motion recognition, do not disturb mode, sleep mode, physical training. So there's loads of different options being added, and this time using the Wear Pro Fit app. So guys, this is my review video of HK9 Ultra 2. This is a Apple Watch Ultra 2 replica, and this is an upgraded version of HK8 Pro Max. So far this is a very nice watch. I've been using from few days, and the watch battery timing is really good. The color are really vibrant. And if you like my video, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be making another review video of HK9 Pro Ultra 2 versus Halo Watch 3 Plus. Both have a AMOLED display, so I will be making comparison video. So if you don't want to miss that one, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the future video notification. And thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in next one.